found the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see, yeah. These days I don't worry about much. I think we should have some more fun. I still dream about the days when we were young. I'll take a hit and still finish in one, yeah, yeah.
He threatened me.
My God.
Suppose he break me and shot Melica.
You not tell a lie, you pull off wicked just a while ago. Oh God.
A big driving that.
Oh God, I can't take it. No.
You understand?
We need a camera or a turn to the road. You understand? So then see really what happen.
Wow,
Really take place. Hi guys, Punki me buy something in at you. What I say now?
Buy more next one because you're fault.
I'll buy one off Amazon this time.
No, sir.
Like one heavy duty.
You better overtake me because I know you're in bad drive me. A walk.
Who that is same brother?
No force ride.
Hi guys, welcome back to the vlog. We need to stop making noise tonight, but yes. Welcome to the vlog. You done here, MelicaSkylife in the building.
And Punki Skylife in the
Race one vlog. Yo! How are the them? We look kind of dark now because we are going through
lick me back because you can't pee for lick it.
Alam Bamboo. Not sure about Alam Bamboo. So we're on our way to town. I have on Ramila headband. I have on Baby Rose headband. I'm not telling the name, you know. So I'm going to take that out. Guys, we're heading into town a little bit. We want to sort of do a few knicks-knacks in our place. Not
go there, this a car over there.
the car they well fast enough. You see engine of the car there? Them put in a bus. Like a coaster bus, them figure fast.
I make you this up.
It doesn't matter. It was a Mark II car just overtaking and she was like, oh, Mark II fasting, but the Mark II engine can go in a coaster bus. Coaster them normally change out if you make for them bus go faster. So yeah, I think I'm gonna surprise them by my workplace a little bit, 1 second, and then we are gonna be on our way.
Man, say you're rattling.
Oh, what kind of pattern
jack, man.
So for the time you see a whole around there, I'm making nice.
Jack.
Yeah, so we're gonna surprise them by the workplace a little bit. I'm gonna catch that on camera. We'll see if they go surprise or not. Come we just gonna talk to them for the phone. But I have on Baby Rose headband. It must stretch out. I forgot to take that one now. I like enough of them coming out back, you know. But we should have saved the white one. Because the white don't go with anything. And if you can come back. So yeah guys, I'm feeling good today. I'm doing very Stephanie, please take time with the patrol on me.
Melica, my glasses may put on. What you tell me say? Oh Jesus.
My God.
You must have think of hospital me. You know when you drive with me, you know. I walk.
Hello guys, that's when me I come from hospital. A Punki come for me. So you see, Punki have to put on hazard light. Can't drive fast. Every day, aye, oh hey. Stephanie pull off 2 minutes, then me race a little bit. Hey, you don't tell a lie.
Me just a dead for reach.
Yeah, like Punki I say, boy, come like a 4-hour time before we reach you. I will live like 15 minutes or so away. So yeah, I'm gonna try to surprise them by my workplace, but I don't know if I'm more surprised. Watch out, what am I at work, man? The water man that you know? I don't know if I'm gonna surprise them. I'm on the camera. Hopefully I catch their reaction. Stuff. But I'm glad to come out of here. God knows. Jesus. Ramila, I'm afraid. But Mr. Ramila, I'm hide. I tell you, red eye.
Lucky. Me start riding. They have to kill it.
Milk machine. Jesus. Sometimes you see me walk up and down in the house. I don't have no clothes. I tell you the truth. Mad. And last time I bex. But me love her still. If you don't see her, I don't want to invade Baby Rose privacy by putting her on camera. So I don't think that's my space. And she's a newborn. So I'm not use my channel like use baby to grow my channel. I'm never gonna do that. You understand, Stephanie? So just you know, chuckle. Eh? So what you think about that? Not putting up baby
rose. I
rose.
just think you're too tired. Just that.
Guys, one day I feed baby rose and I tell her some breakdown. Love the little girl, you know? No, sir. Come on, Mr. Rose in a car or somebody in a car. I have to find out. Alright, guys, so I'll check back in with you. You say care fast? You say the move? Watch out, Jesus Christ. Me tell us that we need a dashboard camera, you know, Stephanie, because serious accident just really
Suppose
happen.
if that truck was coming with a speed in it.
And he still overtake. Corner year woman.
I'm not saying that.
Yes, corner year woe, their head belong to butcher. Proverb of the day. I'm gonna start with that. Proverb of the day. Corner year woe, their head belong to butcher. Put in the comment section below the meaning of that. Alright, later. It's not opening. Hello? I'm afraid. Guys, I'm frightened them. You know, what that? Don't you know tell me?
No, you don't hear me say.
Say hi to the vlog.
But,
Let's see if it's on camera. So guys, we surprised the co-workers. They were pretty surprised and happy to see me. That's great. But then we just got some stuff for baby Rose. Nowadays, I'm not buying nothing for myself, you know. I soon have no clothes. And I tell you, everything I buy for baby Rose. I'm gonna change myself. So we just got some stuff for baby Rose. Did really want to get them the fear. So I'm glad me get them. And now we're going to get some fish and then we're gonna go home. The vlog is gonna be very, very short. But nonetheless, you know, this is progress, right, Stephanie? Right. So you can look out for more content-based vlogs from us, you know, going places. Watch your dirty man, yeah? My God. Anyways, you can look for more content-based vlogs from us. Going places, experiencing beaches and stuff like that. New foods and stuff like that. You know, that's what the channel started off with, and that's what we'll continue with in terms of content base. So if you want to see more of those contents, subscribe now. Thank you for stopping by my channel. I'm going to come out of the car again, so I'll update you on that, and then, you know, we're going to start on bathing. You know, go. So we definitely get fish from Rainforest, Jamaica. High quality fish. This video is not sponsored. I was telling them that we get fish from Rainforest, but it's not sponsored. Oh God. Hot girl Punki. That's a high class place out there, so. I write a number on him down. I can grab my phone. Which belly?
Rainforest close.
Maria, my mask there. See if I get my mask. Tickers. Hey, Punki, are you in a drop? Eh?
Fire sauce, matter the fire.
Me just trying to take out it. Eh? But I'm not here all the time.
Let me put you up on this just in case you're unaware.
Okay then. No problem. One. A sausage.
Oh, yeah, you just.
Yes, smoked salmon. High quality meal. And jumbo shrimp them. You have the one them with the the jumbo shrimp them with the tail.
So I think them
You have the jumbo shrimp, right? You have the ones with the shell on and the shell off. This is the one with the shell on. What you say? I'm not used to coming out, guys, so you have to see with my behavior.
psycho.
Check out their food. No, Mr. Rose, Mr. Rose, come up hospital, Mr. Rose come down to buy food. Mr. Rose left.
I do?
Left.
Why?
Because girl, I tell him saying, you only can get one piece of this and one piece of that. One to him? I said, yes, Stephanie, I'm going to buy something start out of here. Guess the fish. What kind of fish this? What kind of fish this?
Me don't know Melica.
This is red snapper.
What is this? What is the black one?
Baka Mary.
No, the back
I joke, you know.
side. You know, no.